From last year, the average sales have increased by 97%, and the average price increased by 21.6%. For Mississauga, the number of sales was 1,411 units. The average price, $1,061,988. The average selling price versus list price was 106%, and the average days on market was 9 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 1,599 units. The average price, $1,026,255. The average selling price versus list price was 106%, and the average days on market was 7 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 608 units. The average price, $1,526,414. The average selling price versus list price was 105%, and the average days on market was 12 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 427 units. The average price, $1,037,207. The average selling price versus list price was 107%, and the average days on market was 7 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 453 units. The average price, $1,099,362. The average selling price versus list price was 108%, and the average days on market was 9 days. Thanks for watching this month's market report. If you are planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help. 905-334-5883.